braids, a few plaits in my hair using one product, and it's a good product I just purchased and found this awesome company, and it's called ONJAISHEA, and they have awesome shea butter made with natural oils. This one I got is called the blended ONJAISHEA hair butter blended, and on the back it reads moisturizing sealant to protect your hair from dryness and breakage and promotes hair growth. Zero silicones, parabens, mineral oils, dyes, petroleum, and sulfate. So there's none of that in here. And the ingredients is very simple. It's shea butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, peppermint oil, and jasmine oil. And it smells oh so delicious. And I even tried it already on my face. And it's really, I have sensitive skin, so it's really, it hasn't broken me out, and it feels really nice. And look at this texture. I don't know, can you tell? But I already got some and used it already. But this texture is a great whipped texture, and it just, it's so smooth and creamy. I'm gonna keep these braids in overnight as I sleep. Let me go ahead and get my hair bonnet on, my satin bonnet. I actually got this from Sally's. This shea butter smells so amazing. Amazing. First time customer and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. It's around 8. Well, actually it's 9:05 now at night. I'm gonna go to sleep and hopefully my hair is dry by the morning. I washed my hair, I co-washed it earlier and it was kind of drying already, so it's not too damn wet at all. So hopefully it will be dry by the morning and I'll take my hair out and you'll see the braid out result. Hey y'all, this is the next day. I went to sleep with these braids in. I used the ONJAISHEA hair butter and I just did my makeup and I got this shirt on. It says, "Worry ends when faith in God begins." And I got that from Ross last weekend and it got faith. So I thought I would show that. I love the shirt and it got a little hood on it. So let me show you the results. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hands. Have a little oils, prevent frizz on my fingertips. Put a little on my edges. And let's see how this is gonna look, y'all. there you have it. It's my braid out results, and it's so beautiful. It came out so soft, and it smells just like peppermint. It smells so amazing. ONJAISHEA hair butter blended. Thank you for this product. And go ahead and go to the website. This link, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I just love the product and I wanted to share the results with you for the first time me using it. And as you can see, the braid out results are so defined and beautiful. Look at that. It's so soft and wavy and natural. So go ahead and like, comment down below your thoughts on this video if you like this braid out results. And I only use one product this entire video on my natural hair. I just used the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer on my edges, but on my natural hair for this braid out results, all I used was the ONJAISHEA hair butter blended. So yes, I'm loving it. Thank you.